Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I'm here with Facts Friday with the next part of parliaments of some countries. We already saw few countries, now the next one. नेपाल, that is Federal Parliament of Nepal, जिसको कि पहले राष्ट्रीय पंचायत के नाम से जाना जाता था. Next is Denmark, that is Folketing. Then Russia, Federal Assembly, Duma and Federation Council. Next we have China, whose parliament is known as National People's Congress. For France, it is French National Assembly. For Turkey, it is the Grand National Assembly of Turkey. Iran, Majlis. Afghanistan, National Assembly or Shura. Israel's parliament is known as Knesset. For Maldives, People's Majlis. For Japan, it is the National Diet. And for Canada, it is just Parliament. So these were all about some of the countries. So that's it. It also ends this series. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up till that. Take care. Bye bye.